Good morning, hunters. Welcome back to another investigation. It's been a while. Right now, we're at a place called Lal Lal, and we're going to go down there to that blast furnace. We're going to see if there's any ghosts hanging around. Let's go have a look. This is Lal Lal Reservoir. You can see the dam wall and stuff through there. I think we can get a shot of the reservoir. We'll go and have a look. But this is us here. The Lal Lal Blast Furnace. Alright, let's get in and have a look. That's cool. There's some kind of construction here. They must have passed water or something down through there. Maybe it's been a generator or who knows. I don't know anything about this place, but it is stunning. Look at all that there. A couple of columns there. Let's go for a walk around the back. Now I've got a poltergeist following me around. It started back at that haunted house. No, it started back out at Lethbridge train station when I got that knock on the window. It's a little square, interesting thing there. And then at the haunted house, knock on the wall. Some really cool stuff happening, gang. Right, so we're going to keep an ear out for any knocks, thumps, clunks. Right, let's get the gear out. So we've got two items that we're using today. We're going to use this EMF meter. Jeez, that looks insane. Look at this. Right, we're going to use this EMF meter. Oh my goodness, look at this, gang. What? How insane is this? Oh, that's nuts. Okay, we'll put that one there. And I've got this EMF. This one here. Put that there. Now, my phone interacts with this thing here. See that? So we're going to turn that to airplane mode. And that should stop. Yep, there we go. That stops. All right, we'll just leave that there. I'll put that down there, out of the way. Right, let's go. Welcome to the Lal Lal Blast Furnace. Paranormal investigation. The investigation begins now. If there are any ghosts, spirits, or entities, poltergeists, haunting this blast furnace from back in the day, make yourself known. Have a look at the way that thing's been built. Just unbelievable. I will call again. If there are any spirits, ghosts, or entities with me today at the Lal Lal Blast Furnace, make yourself known. Interact with these devices. Operate the ghost meter. it's pretty quiet here. We'll move around, we'll go find another spot. Okay, we'll come around the front. So that is such a good shot, look at that, gang. Okay, we're gonna call here, gang. If there are any ghosts, spirits, or entities, the poltergeist, with us today at this old blast furnace, interact with these devices. Let us know that you're here. Like that. We're gonna go for a walk around here, gang. I really want to get up to those columns. Those columns look nuts. Okay. Alright, oh look at that. How insane is that? There's a little tunnel through there. Have a look at this tunnel. Oh, it goes right through. That is insane. That's insane. You just don't come across places like this in Victoria, gang. There's not many of them. These old mining remnants. Let's see if there's any spirits hanging around down here. Just an absolutely beautiful place. Okay, let's do a call here. Put that one down there. And we'll stick this one. Put this one here. Beautiful countryside out there. Okay, gang, I only got about 13 minutes of carb left. So we'll get this last call done. And the investigation starts again. If there are any ghosts, spirits, entities, poltergeists, any people from the distant past with us here today at the Lal Lal Blast Furnace, make yourself known. If there are any colonists from the distant past here with us today, interact with this device. Unbelievable. Well, there it is there, hunters. We are all alone, yet again. But what a beautiful place this is. Absolutely stunning. Oh well, hunters, the hunt continues on. We're not giving up yet. We are going to start finding ourselves some ghosts soon. But for now, we're going to grab our gear and we're going to jump in the car and we're going to head to another spot. Let's move.